Yesterday on What to Trade, I gave out a tip to trade the AUD CAD pair. In case you missed it, that video is pinned down here. On today's video, I want us to look at how things turned out and to give you guys a possible course of action of what might happen today. If you don't know what to trade today, keep on watching and watch this video to the end, because at the end of it all, you will notice that whatever I'm talking about on this channel ends up happening. If you took my advice and traded the head and shoulder reversal pattern that we posted yesterday on TikTok, then chances are you are taking your profits today at 75 pips. An overview of what happened is prices moved down just like we had predicted. There was a bullish move back to EMA 200, further affirming that EMA 200 was a stronger resistance zone. Now, is there a chance that prices may continue to fall even further on the AUD CAD pair? Of course, yes. If you look at the general trend on the 4-hour chart, then the trend is downwards. And again, for the longest time, prices have been moving in between a channel that is a support and resistance level, just as shown on the screen. Expect a few retracements as price continues to go down to the bottom. And yes, if you didn't trade the reversal on the head and shoulder pattern that we posted yesterday, you can still short the market and still hope to take your profits at price levels 0.900 and 0.8880. To see more technical analysis on the daily charts, go ahead and click on that plus sign. Also, make sure that you like, comment, and share. And if you don't have a trading account, there is only one good broker in Kenya, that is Forex. So go ahead and click the link on the description of this video and create your trading account. See you on the next one.